because you have to see my new video camera. And see if you're smart enough to detect this camera. That got you yelling. Why are you yelling at me? See? You don't have to yell. This doesn't look like the other one, does it? It's less threatening. Do what? Why do you yell? You got to be quiet. Can you be quiet? Oh, that's why you stink. Oh, you want to make a pattern? Yeah, do you make a pattern? Come here, make a pattern. Oh, you make a pattern. Yeah? You make a pattern. Oh, you make a good pattern. You make a very good pattern. Yeah. Now you quiet? Okay. I'm doing this against the light. That's not too smart. I should be on the other side, shouldn't I? You more pattern? You make a pattern here? Ah, you make a good pattern, right? Yeah. Good pattern. Say bye-bye. I'll be back. Pattern. Okay. I'll be back. Bye-bye. Yes, sir. Auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen. Walk around the premises here, make sure everything works with the new timestamp. Look at these orchids. Man, more orchids. And more orchids. And peppers. Look how red they're getting. Oh yeah. And again, the turning basin. Make sure. Bob has a ballast out. Going bad. Yeah. Croton. This is a pretty flower here. I don't know what that is. Very pretty. Okay.